If a woman's interest level is currently low and you sense her pulling away from you, going no contact is one of the most effective ways to restore interest. If you're always the first to initiate contact and reach out in relationships, there's a good chance you're killing attraction. You're neither a mystery nor a challenge. Research conducted at the University of Virginia came to the conclusion that men are rated as more attractive and desirable when there's a degree of uncertainty and anxiety in the relationship. And while you might hold the position that it's mean or rude to go no contact on a woman, that somehow you might hurt her feelings, you must focus on what works as opposed to what's nice if you want to build real attraction. Going no contact is one of the best ways to get a woman focused on you and restore fading interest. Nevertheless, when you go no contact on a woman, you must expect a degree of resistance. She might try to make you feel guilty for pulling away. She might berate you for ignoring her messages and threaten to cut you off. She might even play the innocent victim. In all these situations, you must never apologize for your behavior, for doing so would only ruin the seduction. A simple shrug of the shoulders, accompanied by an "I've been busy" attitude, is all that's required to diffuse the situation. And although this might sound Machiavellian, such is the nature of human attraction. Women who cry foul and deride men for playing games are simply infuriated that men now have the ability to neutralize a woman's long-held psychological advantage. You must ensure, however, that you don't go no contact in a passive-aggressive way. Going no contact means a woman must reach out to you first. It might take an hour, it might take a day, it might take a week, it might even take a couple of weeks. Regardless how long it takes, you must wait for a woman to get in touch with you first before you send her any more messages. When a woman reaches out to you, she's letting you know that she misses you and she's thinking about you. You must use this opportunity to establish rapport and ask her out on a date. It's that simple. Remember, seduction should be easy and never too complicated. The moment you feel a woman pull away from you, simply mirror her behavior and allow her space by going no contact. If you have the strength and confidence to give a woman space, she'll come back to you every time.